Come here, guys. Come on. Come on, Hera. Come on, Dingus. Here they come. Hera. Hera. You can go in the water again. Hey. Hey. Come here. Hera. Hera. Oh, he's peeking. Come here. Hera. He's going to lift his leg like around 9 months, I think.
No.
9, 10 months, somewhere around there. That's about the time when Bruno did.
You see? Hey, Julia, guess what? They're getting big.
They're little monsters. Over here. Come here. She's a little terror. We call her Hera the Terror.
Look at that.
She's got a nice side angle.
Yeah, I'm getting it all on the video there.
Nice profile. Her profile's nice. Hera. 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 Come here. Come here. Come here. No. Come here. Hera. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Yeah, she's a good girl. Now that's a nice picture of him.
Oh, that's perfect stance.